Hi, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. Today I am here to unbox the May 2022 Beauty Heroes box. I apologize because I didn't get a video up in the last week. My last week was really busy and crazy and just some things came up, and then we're preparing to go on vacation. I think by the time this is published, we'll be on vacation. So, you know, packing for the whole family and stuff and everything is just a lot. So anyways, my apologies for no videos last week, and just know that I'm gonna be on vacation, so there will be not many videos for the next week or so. But anyways, let's get into it. I love when I have a Beauty Heroes box and I don't know what's in it. I did hear Danielle from Cruelty Free Vegan Beauty say, I think in one of her videos, that often Beauty Heroes does like a sunscreen in May. So I'm kind of like curious. I don't know if I read a comment that somebody said like, oh, I hope it's the Mara sunscreen, but that got me excited because I was like, oh, I really want to try the Mara sunscreen. I'd love to try the brand, so that would be really cool. We still haven't seen Nini Organics. I think that'll be in here at some point. I think Sahajan is also sold there, we haven't seen, so those are some of my guesses. So I just love this part so much. So here's the box. All right. I love that I've seen no spoilers. All right, take it open today. Oh, it is Sahajan. So I'm glad I did my little guesses. Here is the box. Sahajan, cool. I've not tried anything from them, so that is exciting. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, we got 3 products. That's awesome. The NOURISH Crème Riche Ayurvedic Blend Face Cream. If you know anything about me, you know I need a face cream like, I hate the saying like a hole in the head, but I'm going to use that saying because I just have so many, and I have so many in my Project Pan and stuff. And we've gotten a few in the past few months from Beauty Heroes. We got like Ayuna, I think in January. We've gotten Earthwise Beauties, Isadora. I'm trying to think if we've gotten any others recently. Anyways, whatever. I do love face creams. It's just hard to keep up with all these, but I'm sure this will be wonderful to try. We also got the Essential Mélange Ayurvedic. Okay, I'm obviously I was reading the side that's not in English. Okay, let's try that again. The Essential Ayurvedic Blend Essential Cleansing Oil. Oh, fun. I love trying new cleansing oils. I'm so excited about this box. And then our last product of 3, which is really awesome, is Radiance Ayurvedic Blend Face Serum. So that is so cool, actually. This is like its own little setup for this month. You can cleanse with the essential cleansing oil, then you can use the serum, and then you can use the face cream. That's so cool. I wonder if maybe I'll do it as like my nighttime routine or something for the month of May once I'm back from vacation. So anyways, let me just tell you about this. So again, we have 3 products. Looks like the hero product is the Crème NOURISH Crème Riche, and I've definitely heard, it might be Mercedes from L'Amour et la Musique, or Trish from, I think her YouTube is Trish V now, but I'll fix that if that's not correct. I either one of them or both of them really like this, so I am excited. It is 1.7 ounces, and it's a value of $64. And let's see, it says, our intuition is our innate ability to know and trust ourselves at the deepest level. When we allow our intuition to become our guide, we uncover exactly what our bodies require to return to balance. Sahajan invites the power of intuition through luxurious formulas, equal parts ancient and modern, calling on both Ayurvedic wisdom and green chemistry to understand our skin and provide what it needs to feel refreshed, replenished, and revived. See the genius of Ayurveda come to life. Sorry, I have a cat coming over. Here's Ava. See the genius of Ayurveda come to life in this month's hero product, NOURISH Crème Riche. Deeply soothing and fast absorbing, this rich mocha cream, that sounds delicious, combines the time-tested power of traditional herbs with modern science to leave skin soft, supple, and brilliant. The balanced botanical blend is led by Triphala, a treasured herbal remedy combining the trifecta of Chabula, Bellarica, and Amla, a superfruit which is 20 times the amount of vitamin C as an orange. Oh, okay, so there's vitamin C in this moisturizer. The chabula fruit is one of the most revered antioxidants found in nature, celebrated for its ability to minimize the fine lines and smooth roughness while brightening and tightening skin. And with infusions of nutrient-rich coconut oil and deeply hydrating aloe vera to replenish, plump, and balance, Nourish Crème Riche breathes fresh life into skin for an Ayurveda-infused glow. Superpower ingredients are chabula, bellarica, amla, and gotu kola. Let's open it. I do allow myself to open these moisturizers, even though I have, you know, open moisturizers. That's what it looks like. They did describe it as mocha. And all right, my cat's like sticking her nose in it, so let's see about the texture. I'll try it here. Ooh, it's nice and like thick, and it feels really nice. It has like a nice scent. Just got a little on my nose. Maybe like a little floral sort of or something. Sorry. You know, the cat is like, we're going on vacation, so we have like cat food, you know, out for the woman who's gonna check on the cats, and they're all like excited and acting wild because like their food's out. So my cat's acting a little bit wild. I knew she was gonna be part of the video today. Anyways, I'm just like, this is definitely a nice thick cream. My thought might be a night cream because of its thickness, but you know, probably works for people depending on your skin type. So that looks gorgeous. Something about it in a little way made me think of the, oh, I'm trying to remember what the brand is. I really liked the cream, and now I can't think of what the brand is or the name of the cream, but I'll put it down here. But it reminded me sort of that, just because like it was like a thick, luscious like night cream. But you know, we'll have to see if there's any similarity at all. So anyways, the directions say apply morning and night to cleanse skin, face, neck, and décolletage. So that's awesome. Let's check out the Radiance Face Serum. It's 1 ounce for $74. I'm not even showing you the right part. There we go. And it is an intricate formula inspired by the Rasayana plants once used to create age-defying elixirs for India's royal family. Radiance Face Serum penetrates skin's deepest layers to improve elasticity, fade fine lines, and visibly elevate luminosity. Triphala, aloe vera, and coconut oil work in synergy to deeply moisturize and revitalize. Cat coming through. Oops, she didn't even, never mind. She ran across my computer. While gotu kola combines with nature's moisture magnet hyaluronic acid to boost elasticity and diminish the appearance of lines. Infusions of sandalwood help to even skin tone and lessen dark marks and patches, leaving a bright, balanced complexion in their place. And then the superpower ingredients are gotu kola, which was also in this face cream, hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, and sandalwood. Ooh, I'm curious as to what the serum consistency is going to be like. As I've been using my serums, I'm getting more familiar. I'm getting to know serums better and getting to know my preferences better. I think I don't love like a super liquidy one, and I like one that I'm not loving the Ingredients Face Serum, which is aloe based and very like super slippery. And I find myself liking like an oil-based serum, like Earthwise Beauty Black Locust Firming Concentrate type serum. Like, and I also tried another one recently, which I'll touch base on after my trip, that I liked the consistency. So I'm kind of curious to see. This is what we're working with here. So we'll see how thick. It'll be fun to try another serum. So this is putting this on my other hand since I put the lotion. Try to keep it minimal. All right, so it doesn't look like yeah, it looks like it has some body to it, which is nice. And it's not like dripping a lot, so that's cool, I bet. Oh yeah, I mean this, oh, so this is interesting. Just like a, maybe like, kind of not really much of a scent, but pleasant. So this is interesting. This serum, they said it's an aloe serum. It has aloe in it, and hyaluronic acid and coconut oil. So maybe it has less aloe or something in it than like the Ingredients one that I'm not loving the consistency. So it says smooth the serum over the palms of your hands and massage evenly onto your face and neck. Apply daily or as often as required. So that's what the serum looks like. All right, and our last product is the Essential Cleansing Oil. This might be one of the first cleansing oils I've gotten in a Beauty Heroes box since I've been a member since July. It's 4 ounces and it is a value of $48. And it says this delicate milky oil is the staple every skin needs. Essential Cleansing Oil glides on skin for a gentle cleanse that rinses completely clean. Okay, so it's an emulsifying cleanser. Calling on the masterful anti-pollution properties of moringa oil to remove impurities and daily grime. Squalane oil melts through SPF buildup, and even the most stubborn of waterproof makeup without ever stripping skin of its most precious oils, and instead balancing them for a clear complexion that radiates glow. With the prized calming properties of rose oil to reduce redness and alleviate inflammation, this light floral scented oil leaves skin feeling impossibly clean, refreshed, and invigorated. And the superpower ingredients are moringa, rose, and squalane. Opening up the box, I have to read the message. It says, I am committed to bringing you evidence-based skin and hair care products that balance healthy, mindful living with the rich heritage of the Ayurvedic traditions in which I was raised. Lisa Matam. Wow, I think this is such an awesome box. And that's the Essential Cleansing Oil. So, let's see. I can get it going. All right, I'm gonna put it on the inside of my hand since I already did the outside of both hands. See if we can get it. Okay, ooh, I've got a lot. I did a lot here. So it's like a milky, kind of runny cleanser. Oh, not too runny. That's interesting. It says floral scented. This one doesn't really taste floral to me at first sniff. All right, just out of curiosity, gonna spread it on my hands. Anyway, so yeah. I don't know what the smell is, but it doesn't smell floral to me. But it's nice. All the products, I think, like from my first experience, seem like gently scented, not like super strong, but like really, they all seem like pleasant. Of course, it's different once you get them on your face, start using them and get to know them. But like my first impression with them is they're all like pretty pleasant and subtle smelling. So looks like the value is about 64 plus 74 plus 48. I will put it on the screen because I hate doing math on camera. And I'm not going to give you a whole history on the brand, but the founder is Lisa Matam. I think that's how you say her name, maybe. And she called on her Indian roots and foundation in Ayurveda, passed on from her parents. So it sounds like she has Indian ethnicity and heritage, and has worked the Ayurveda, the Ayurvedic practice into her skincare, and also like trying to make it modern as well. So that's very interesting. So that is my hands are really slippery right now, but these are our 3 products from Sahajan, which is awesome. And like I said, you can use your cleansing oil, your serum, and your moisturizer and just have your whole routine right there. So I think that's what I'll do. I think either I'll use this for like my nighttime routine for the month of May, or my daytime routine or something, and really use it. So that's awesome. Definitely let me know if you've used this brand or what you think of this box. I think it's great. And I'm excited to use it for the month and check back in with you to let you know how everything was and my thoughts on it. So please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, found it helpful. Click the subscribe button so you'll be alerted for when the next video comes out. And I would love to chat with you below in the comments. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.